Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the select crop tool from the toolbar and shortcut C in the keyboard. And you can crop easily. I do this. And if you want 1:1 cropping, then go to the top bar and select 1:1. Also, you have any size for the cropping, then select WH resolution and keep your size. I do this. Now we are cropping an image. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.